So Chip, beta, pay attention. What will we do, Chip? If we have to find the least number which is divisible by these. Gauri will tell me. Gauri will tell me. Sorry. Yes, Gauri, what are we going to do? If I ask you the least number which is divisible by.
Least number which is divisible. So we'll find out the LCM.
So Chip, is he correct? We'll find the LCM.
Yes.
Are you sure, Chip?
No.
Dia, is Gauri correct that we have to find the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have to find the LCM because we have to find the least number. So lowest common which is divisible by these numbers, so it will be a multiple.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन में ही लिखा है क्या फाइंड कर. Yeah, beta, don't talk, don't fight. Let's do the question. Miss Dia, don't fight, beta.
So my mom was explaining how I have not joined maths mystery till now.
Today Sudharam is not there, so please don't fight with anyone else.
So he's in Thailand.
Are you jealous, Dia?
No, sir, even I'm traveling. Day after.
And so am I, sir. I'm traveling on Friday. This Friday.
Chip, beta, you need to send to ma'am only. And Candy is absent. Dia and Guy. Beta, how can
Sir,
you
I'm
take so much time?
sending.
Sir, I forgot how to take out the LCM.
So let's see. Dia,
I
आपने
sent my
practice
answer,
नहीं
sir.
की. I told you to practice. So 12, 40, 75. We use the ladder method. So which number will divide them? I
got
take 2,
40 is
6,
one number
20,
and
75.
so
Then I can take one more 2, 3, 10, 75. Then I can take 3, 1, 10, and 25. Then I can take one more 2, 1, 5, and 25. Then I can take 2 5s, 5 and 5.
so
Yes.
what 1240 was one number and 75 was another.
Okay. Okay. Guy, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Beta, you should have got this question right. Don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the answer of the question?
600.
Okay. Sir, but how can it be the least number?
बेटा क्योंकि इससे छोटा कोई मल्टीपल होगा ही नहीं इन तीन नंबर्स का कॉमन मल्टीपल. इससे बड़ा हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट विल बी 1200.
I did not
Okay.
understand. But still, I took out the LCM, but I did not understand how 600 is the answer of the question.
बेटा इससे छोटा नंबर, 600 से छोटा नंबर जो तीनों से डिविजिबल हो ही नहीं सकता.
I thought it would be a number like 3, that 12 is also divisible by 3, 75 is also divisible by 3. I thought like
But it is not divisible by all the three numbers. Na? It has to be divisible by all the three numbers. So that's why we take the LCM. जैसे मैं 3 और 4 के LCM बोलूं, so it is 12. Because 12 is divisible by both 3 and 4. If I talk about the LCM of 20 and 3, it is 60. Because 60 is divisible by both 20 and 3.
okay.
So next question. I should have typed. Sorry guys. I will type it quickly. I was
No
busy
problem,
talking
sir.
to Chip. 4 bells are arranged in such a manner.
So did you watch India versus Australia?
Who won?
So
What?
India.
India.
They were going
Was
to
a good
lose.
revenge.
In what?
So India won by 24 runs, and tomorrow we have a semi-final against England.
Against who?
England.
When was the
I
match?
just say,
India versus Australia?
I think the match should be cancelled because
Why?
of rain, and then India would win because India has more run rate. So yeah, it has more points, so India will qualify to the final.
Without a match, India will qualify.
Yeah, if rain cancels it, like it depends on the points though. I think India has more points.
But
I'm sure.
that's utter nonsense. What is England?
No,
So guys, this question says there are 4 bells. अभी मैंने उनको एक साथ ring किया. Then one is for grade 3, one it's for grade 4, one it's for grade 5, and one it's for all the classes. So what
the
happened,
grade 6.
because grade 3 is small, so I like ring bell for them after every 5 minutes. Then grade 4 is a little bit higher grade. I ring for them after every 8 minutes. And then grade 5 10 minutes, but grade 6 every 12 minutes. So after how much time will they ring together?
That's kind of.
So after how much time will all the bells ring together?
Sir, is it an oral question?
I did it orally.
Sir, 5 minutes? No.
Guys, no one is allowed to speak. Everyone has to, solve it and give the answer in the chat. And for your info, your answer was wrong. Aroda. See, Mr. Ba didn't speak. Mr. Ba concentrated on solving and gave the answer because he's Mr. Ba. Chetty. Ma'am has given the answer. Chetty is doing very good. That's great.
Sir,
Yes.
like for other questions, can we just multiply like the last two numbers and get the answer?
Wait, guys. Where is the question first of all? Here it is.
Wrong question.
Wait. Rohan, what we have to do in this question, Rohan, Arora?
Sir, we have to find the LCM.
And we have to find the LCM. And what is the LCM, Arora ji?
Sir, the LCM is 600.
No, beta. It is 120. Should I solve it?
Yes, sir.
1 second, Arora ji. Let me show the second next question to all.
5, 8, 10, and 12, right?
So guys, you can solve the next question till I explain the previous question to Arora ji. Okay. So Arora ji, I write here 5, 10. Arora ji, I'm telling you a trick. ICSC में ये use मत करना, IB में use कर सकते हो. You also listen Arav. Because 5 is a multiple of 10. तो LCM निकालने वक्त मैं 5 को ignore कर सकता. Alright. So I will just find LCM of 8, 10 and 12. So I'll do it with 2, 4, 5, 6. Then again I will do it with 2, 2, 5, 3. Now again Arav and Rohan, one more trick for you. ये coprimes है ना, इनमें कोई common factor नहीं है. So you can just multiply all of them together.
Okay, sir.
So the product will be 120. आप ये IB board में कर सकते हो use.
Sir, but
ICSC
you
में-
cancelled out 5, 10, and 8, and you still wrote 8 and 10.
Where beta? Where I cancel out?
Sir, over here.
Where? Where? ये तो बेटा मेरे से I was writing ना, तो to show you कि वो नहीं use करना, ये मैंने extra लिख दिया. Okay.
So what do we cancel out?
5 को मैंने cancel कर दिया ना, 5 को मैंने use नहीं किया because 5 is a multiple of 10. मैंने 5 को use नहीं किया.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Again, if you
whatever is
get,
a multiple of something will be removed.
yeah, you can erase that
Okay.
from the LCM. Just a tip, अगर आपको याद रहे, but don't make mistake.
Okay.
Can we use this in ICSC?
Yeah.
Can we use this in ICSC?
Because बेटा ICSC में आपके टीचर को ही समझ में नहीं आया है क्या हुआ है, तो फिर वो बोलेगा ये क्या कर दिया आपने, फिर आप उससे आर्ग्यू करोगे तो फिर भी वो नहीं मानेगा.
Third, that shows that our teachers don't know anything.
No बेटा, ICSC CBSE के जो टीचर्स है ना, without, not all, not telling to all, but they follow like the pattern. अरे this is not given in the book, so you cannot use it. You are not allowed to use new methods from your side. While in Cambridge and IB boards, you are allowed to use your own methods. So that is the difference.
So in IGCSE, can I use this?
Yes, you can. IGCSE is Cambridge only, so you can. Mr. Ba, how can Mr. Ba get it wrong? And Guy, you have to done this concept.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bla, I can't see you. So Geet, Gauri, Mr. Bambi, Rohan. Mr. Bla, what we have to do in this question?
Numbers and give the answer.
Sir, not understanding.
बेटा सी पहले एक जो ट्रैफिक लाइट है वो इतने टाइम बाद होती है, दूसरी होती है इतने टाइम बाद, तीसरी होती है इतने टाइम बाद. व्हेन विल दे मीट टुगेदर? जब भी आप मेजर कर रहे हो, सो व्हेन विल दे मीट टुगेदर यू हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम. मींस कितने पॉइंट पे दे विल मीट टुगेदर. सो अगेन इट्स द एलसीएम ओनली.
Sir, all the questions you're giving are
Right.
LCM.
All right, Mr. Bla.
Ma'am, you did not check
Yes,
my
sir.
answer. Ma'am, you did
Sir,
not
I
check my
did that and I
Sorry.
divided what my answer by 60 because it asks how
Yes,
after how
sir.
much time will it change again
First,
simultaneously.
let's see. The answer is 7 minutes 12 seconds.
Huh?
Let's see.
Double of that.
So you did a LCM mistake. So let's do it with 2, 24, 36, 54. Then again with 2, 12, 18 and 27. मैं पहले 2 ही finish कर लेता हूँ. What do you say? Then again with 2, 3, 9, 27. And again with 3, 1, 3, 9. Then again with 3, 1, 1, 3. Then again with one more 3. 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are 144, 144 3s are what? 4th, 144 times 3, 432. So 432 seconds. तो आप डिवाइड बाय 60 करो. 432 डिवाइड बाय 60.
7.2. Sir, I added an extra 3. I don't
7
know why.
minutes 12 seconds. 7
60,
minutes
sir?
12 seconds. Yes.
So why do we have to divide it by 60?
Because these are seconds now. We want to convert into minutes and seconds. The question.
Sir, don't we have to like put a zero down and put a decimal and then put a zero down?
Beta, why will you put a decimal जब ये direct 60 into 7 हो रहा है 420.
So no, in the after we get 12.
Beta,
Then how?
this you have got in seconds now. This you have got in seconds. Why will you want to give the minutes in decimals? मैंने आपसे
Okay.
decimal में, so the easier way is to give in minutes and seconds.
Okay,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there are question. Wait.
So will you give a break today?
What is a break?
Sir, a break is a time to chill. Or like, you know,
Sir, when you can relax.
yeah.
Why you want to relax, guys?
Sir,
I
because
gave a break of 10 days.
no, sir, because if we don't get a break, our brains will heat up too much and we'll burst.
I gave a break of 10 days. Isn't that break enough?
So, sir, we need a break of another
Sir,
5
So
tomorrow
today I had
Guys, do the
CBS.
questions one by one. Do these questions one by one. First, do the first question and do the second question.
keep a machine constantly on and
So
wonder.
we have to give the answer in one message.
No, beta, I'm telling you, give the answers one by one.
Sir, if you consistently use a machine without giving it a break, would it eventually get spoiled and break down?
Ria will never break down.
Sir, in the first one, is it a yes or no question?
Yes, first one is a yes or no question.
Sir, what does the second question mean?
First, give the first answer.
Sir, I sent my answer.
So we did a similar question in the past also. So Geet and Chetty. So what's the reason, Mr. Bambi?
Sir,
Sir, I
what?
thought we had
So
to
could
go
you?
for
So the reason is because the 200 the LCM and HCF should be divisible with each other, and 16 and
It's
24
because the
200.
answer is no. The answer is no because HCF is always a multiple of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM, or LCM is always a multiple of HCF. We can write anyway. So LCM is always a multiple of HCF. Please note it down.
But just to check this, can we divide 16 by 204, and if we don't get
बेटा
the
वही तो चेक करना है, वही तो करना है हमें.
Okay.
अगर ये डिवाइड हो जाता तो मेरा आंसर यस हो जाता, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट्स नॉट डिविजिबल. सो रोहान, दिया, गाय, चिप, गौरी, अंडरस्टूड? Yes or no, guys? याद रखना guys, don't forget again.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Sir, I don't understand. Can at least number of 5 digits is exactly divisible by each of the following?
Yeah, it's a tough question. ये आपके स्कूल में there is one more tough question, दोनों कट करवा देते हैं, but in Olympiad it's there. आपके स्कूल में दोनों क्वेश्चन कट करा दें. The next question, I mean, not the first question, the next question that I am going to give. These two are tough questions when you do it for the first time.
But I can't see the numbers of the
the
question.
star question. So this should be star questions.
Yes, it is a star question.
Okay.
Rohan, beta, what did I say about turning off your camera?
Sorry, sir, I didn't know.
So I will give you a hint. First, find the LCM.
Sir, we knew that.
First, find the LCM of these four numbers.
So we
Sir, I
already knew
have
that.
done the LCM.
Sir, don't tell us. It's fine. So it's a trick question. We have to do it ourselves.
No, sir, since are always true.
Sir, I have taken the LCM a long time back, but I cannot understand.
Ma'am, please give star to Mr. Ba. Mr. Ba, what is the LCM of 16, 18, 24, and 30?
I think it's 720.
720. Then, guys, we will write the smallest 5-digit number. We want the least number of 5 digits. So we'll write the smallest 5-digit number, which is this. Correct? Yes or no,
sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
I will divide by 720. So when you divide by 720, you get 280 and 2800. Then when I divide it, then I will get 2160. What will be my remainder? 640. Understood this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this till now?
No.
Sir, my LCM did not come correct.
Sir, I didn't get it. Wait, so what's the answer?
So first of all, what have you understood till this step? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
see, if I give you a number 95, I tell you to divide it with 8. So I have to find a multiple which is more than 95. So you will divide 8 ones are 8 and 5 will fall down. And you will do 8 ones are 8, 7. So can you tell me a multiple which is more than 95? Next multiple more than 95.
96.
How do you know it's 96?
Because the
Because 8
remainder.
minus 7 is 1 and 95 plus 1 is 96.
Because what you do is कि आप 95 minus 7 करते हो तो आपका multiple जो आता है 88 आता है. Correct? 88 is a past multiple like or a multiple before 95. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Gaurish, beta, are you concentrating? Do we agree? What did I say, Gaurish?
So you were telling us that. So you said that 95 minus 7 is a past multiple, right?
or a multiple
Yes,
before
it's a
95.
partial.
Multiple before
Yeah,
95.
it's a multiple, so we
अब
need
मेरा
96.
next multiple कौन सा होगा? When I will do +8, I will get 96. Correct? This thing everyone understood? दिया समझ आया ये?
Yes.
Now the same thing I will apply here. मेरा पांच multiple कौन सा होगा? 10,000 minus 640. So
Sir,
I
I
will get.
didn't get why we were doing 95 divided by 8.
That was just an example, beta. That was just an example to show कि अगर मुझे 95 का next multiple निकालना है after next multiple of 8 after 95. So what I will do with the remainder? I will subtract the remainder, then add 8. So I will get the next multiple after 95. So same thing. I will subtract 640 from here. I will get 9 and
360.
9360, and then I will add 720 to it. So I will get what? 10080. So this will be my answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I gave the answer as 108,000.
Okay. So we will do a very similar question. From this, then we will go to the next one. Very similar question. Here, instead of the least, you have to find the greatest. Find the greatest 5-digit number. ये स्कूल करिकुलम में किसी में भी नहीं आएगा. CBSE, ICSE, Cambridge कहीं नहीं आएगा. These questions are generally asked in Olympiads only. Most probably आपको भी कट करा देंगे दिया ये. Every time they cut this question, these two questions.
Not the only from SPMS.
Yeah.
The only one from SPMS.
What are you saying, Tia?
Not the only one from SPMS or ICSE board. You just said that yeah, आपको भी शायद ही कट करा देंगे question.
या आपके स्कूल में SPM में कट करा देते हैं क्वेश्चंस.
समझ पाए?
Because थोड़ा सा difficulty level is more. That is why. Rohan, you have got your books and Arav's books also, no?
Yes, I've got it, sir. I asked Arav. He didn't. I told him to message my mom. He didn't reply back.
Oh, yeah.
Beta, like, is there a way, Arav, you can get them collected or you can courier, Rohan?
We can try.
You can, if Arav's mom can message my mom.
Okay. I'll tell her after this.
Diya, can we come back to the question, please? Yeah, you got it right. That's great. Ma'am, please give star to Diya. All right, guys, let's see. So, Diya,
Sir,
what
I
is
was
the
like
LCM?
so close.
What is my LCM, Diya? What are you saying? There is a problem with your mic.
So can I say?
So then greatest 5-digit number. So greatest 5-digit number is 99999.
9999.
I will divide it with 360. 362s are, I will get 720.
277.
So 97279. One more 9 will come here. So 360 into what will give you this? 3, 8.
7.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
7.
Sir,
So,
am I audible?
yes.
2 7.
So
Uh,
2520. So it
equals
come 2520. So it will come 97279. And again 2799 will come. So again I will use 7. So again I will get 279 as my remainder. So till here everyone was able to do it, yes or no, Mr. Blah, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the previous multiple of 360. So like मैंने 95 को जब 8 से divide किया था, I got 8 ones are 8 and 15. Then 8 ones are 8 again, I got 7. So how did I find the previous multiple before 95? I subtracted 95 minus 7, I got 88. Same thing I'm going to do. 9999999 5 times minus 279. It is going to give me this, and that's my answer. 99,720. So Mr. Blah, Geet, Gauri, Chip, Bambi, क्या हो गया guys? What happened? Have we understood Letty boy, Mr. Blah?
Yes, sir. So I accidentally thought it was the lowest 5-digit number.
So Gorish, Geetal, Chip understood?
Yes, sir. So what I did was I subtracted 279 from 360.
Same. And then subtracted it from 99998. So can we have a break?
No. So in this question, we have to make the maximum number of packets possible, and we have to keep equal biscuits in each packet and equal pastries. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक बॉक्स में इक्वल नंबर ऑफ बिस्किट्स एंड पेस्ट्रीज होने चाहिए. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है वी हैव टू मेक इक्वल नंबर ऑफ पैकेट्स और हर पैकेट में इक्वल नंबर ऑफ बिस्किट्स. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन गाइस. एवरी पैकेट should have same number of biscuits and pastries.
Sir, is this related to the
What it means
LCM and HCF?
is that we can have 2 biscuits and 3 pastries in each packet, but एक में 2 है तो सभी में 2 होने चाहिए, एक में 3 है तो सभी में 3 होने चाहिए. All right.
So
So
how
Gauri,
do
what
we
will
do
we do?
this?
HCF or LCM first of all? Mr. Gauri.
Yes, sir.
So beta, did you go through the recordings, Gauri and Geetal? जो लास्ट की 1-2 क्लासेस मिस करी थी उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग्स आपने गो थ्रू करी?
Sir went through one of them.
Yeah?
Sir went through one of them with Geetal.
Beta, you go through all of them, Geetal and
Okay,
Gaurish.
sir.
Otherwise, you won't be able to cope up. This is grade 6, beta, level is different.
Sir, how do you do this?
So you guys have to tell me, we have to find the HCF on LCM. Definitely it's a HCF LCM question.
Sir, HCF?
Who said HCF? HCF is correct. Because हमें इनको डिवाइड करना है. अगर मुझे इनसे डिवाइड करना होता मींस आई वांटेड अ बिगर नंबर तो मैं LCM फाइंड करता. बट आई हैव टू डिवाइड दीज बिस्किट्स एंड पेस्ट्रीज. So finding HCF will give you the number of packets. So find HCF to get the number of packets. Find HCF to get the number of packets.
So we have to find number of packets or how many biscuit packets
You
and
have to
pastries?
find how many biscuit packets and pastries. How many biscuit packets and pastries will each? Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Number of find HCF to get the number of boxes. Boxes. And each box, because उन्होंने packet word use कर दिया है, तो each box should contain.
I found it. Yeah, what's the next step? So do we have to solve the rest on our own, or will you be telling us the step?
Yeah.
We have to solve the rest on our own, or will you be telling us the step?
Yeah, beta, your voice is not clear at all.
Will you be telling us the rest of the steps, or do we have to solve the rest of the question on our own?
You can try, beta, otherwise I'll be telling you if you are not able to. Can try once. Guys, ये questions ना एक बार teacher has to show you how to do that. Arav, you asked a similar question to me when you had your exam. Like kind of a similar question. Should I solve it further?
Yes, sir.
So HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. So I got 8 boxes. I can make 8 boxes from these. Now each box में कितने होंगे? 24 divided by 8. I will get 3 packets of biscuits. 3 packet biscuits in each box. And 32 divided by 8. I will have 4 packet of pastries, or just 4. There are no packets, just pastries in each box. That's it. 3 packet biscuits and 4 pastries in each box. Understood? Koi confusion, guys?
No, sir.
No. So the next few questions you will just tell me we have to find the HCF or we have to find the LCM. So you will just tell me that and you will send me in the chat. So please send in the chat what we have to do for the 5th and 6th question. 5th and 6th question, please send, and send for 7th also.
Sir,
Send for all 3. You don't have to send the answer. You have to send what we have to do in these 3 questions. That's it.
Sir, can you zoom?
You want me to zoom more?
So after this, sir, after this we have to do something else. So that's it for the day.
No, beta, we'll do one more question, I think.
Oh, okay, great.
Dia, were you present in the last 2 classes before the break?
Last 2.
Yes or no?
Sir, I was present in the last class, but not the last class.
Did you go through the recording? Dia, did you go through the recording, beta?
I went to the
Beta,
first. I'll go through it today after the class.
beta, अगर वो expire हो गई हो तो you will have to ask again.
Oh, no, I have to because I went first 15 minutes ago. I don't think it should have to expire.
Chip, Mr. Bambi. Mr. Bambi,
So just a minute.
you can speak your answers, Mr. Bambi.
I'm getting confused in the second question, so I don't know why. In the 6th question, I mean.
6th question, beta, we did a similar question ना. एक bell 3 पे हो रही है, दूसरी bell 7 पे हो रही है. Let me draw it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Third bell 12 पे हो
Oh,
रही है.
yes, yes, sir. I
9,
got
12
it
कब
now,
होंगी?
suggest.
So we have to, go in front with their multiples. जब वो meet करेंगे, that would be my answer. This is one bell. This is one bell. This is one bell. This is one bell. When they will meet next would be my answer. So whenever we are going in multiples, it means I will find the LC. Now this